In some applications, such as InDesign, you have the ability to flow text around an object, and that's exactly what you can do in Fireworks. It's a little bit different than what you're used to in a page layout application, but the ability is open to you. So let's take a look at how all that's done. To get yourself started, open the text03.png file located in your exercise folder. And when it opens, you'll see Johnny Rockets, the burger joint from California, and a bit of text, and then there's an area here that's going to hold the text. Now, the first thing I want you to do is select the text, and let's just move it in. So grab that handle there and pull the handle in, and then we'll just move the text kind of where we want it and take it out to about the edge. So there's the text blocks. We've kind of got the text kind of where we want it. Now, open up the layers panel. You can see that there's the text, there's the bitmap, there's the rectangle. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to create a shape. So we can close the layers panel. We're going to put the shape on a separate layer. And we're going to take a shape and we're just going to draw sort of a box that sort of matches this area here. So one of the things you can do is just open up your rulers. It's View, Rulers. And let's just mark where the end of the text is, which is right there. And then we'll just pull a ruler down from the top and put another one at the bottom so we kind of know where the text is going to be located. Now what we're going to do is get the pen tool, and essentially what you're going to do is you're going to draw a curve. So we'll just click and drag out there, and then we'll come down here, straight down, and draw that bump, sort of like that. You can hold down the Shift key to keep this going straight. And then we'll come over here, click, click, close the path, just like that. And you can see that you've got this black box, which is fine. It's just fine. This will give you a good starting point. So we're going to pull this handle over here and take it out just a bit like that. That's just about right there. And we'll pull this out just a hair, just to sort of kind of match the curve. We'll get this to come down straight. There we go. Just put it on the line. Now you don't need to fill this shape, so you can come over to the fill panel or the fill and click the none. And what we've got now is a shape. And if you come to the layers panel, you can see there's the path and there's the lorem ipsum. So here's how you get this text to wrap. You select your path, you select your text, and you come to the text menu. And you can see attach in path, that menu command there. If you select that, the text goes in. And if we hide the guides, view, turn off the rulers, view, guides, turn off the guides, you can see that what you've done is you've actually created a text box that contains the text. Now, if the text doesn't all fit, you can select the text. You can just click inside it and click and drag, or you can do Command or Control A to select it all. And then all you need to do is just come to the text panel and reduce the size. We'll take it down to 12 points. And you can see that by adjusting the size, you can adjust how the text looks in the box. Now, it's kind of jammed up in here. So one of the things we can do here is come to the leading, and let's take it up to, say, 130%. And you can see that the text gets spread out, and it's a little bit more readable than it would otherwise be if it was all jammed up. So there you go. What I've done is I've shown you how to put text in a shape. What you do is you draw the shape, get the shape the size you want, select both the shape and the text, and then you come to the text menu and select Attach in Path. From there, the text is still live, and I showed you that you can edit it while it is inside the path.